When editing your instance tree, which defines the connectivity of your gear assembly, there are rules for what can be connected to what. Note, for example, the Add Selected button is disabled on my current selection. This is because Gearify enforces the proper internal-external status between connected gears. Recall that all gears are classified as column A gears on the left and column B gears on the right. A gears can be connected with other A gears only if the larger gear is set to internal and the smaller gear external. The same can be said of B gears. A gears can also be connected with B gears, but only if both gears are set to external. Rack gears can connect with external A gears if the rack is external, and to external B gears if the rack is internal. Here is a cheat sheet to summarize the rules. I recommend you pause and screenshot this image. Note you cannot alter the internal-external status of a gear instance after it's been added, but you can double-click to select an instance and click the Delete button to remove it. Then you can add a new instance with the desired internal-external status. Take some time to experiment and try to understand why Gearify allows and prevents certain connections. When you are finished, click Confirm. Your gears are now ready for tooth trimming. Keep in mind, you are free to create multiple configurations later, simply by returning to step 4 after exporting and defining a new instance tree.